Psych. Hello, number 4, and that water, please.
All together?
Yes, I've got the app thing as well. Scan that.
42.63.
It's ready.
Would you like your receipt?
No, it's okay, thanks.
That's fab.
Great, thank you. Bye.
Thanks.
It's so dirty. Been driving the arse off this thing, and you know what it's like this time of year. Let's do business. That sounds amazing. So it's well, things are starting to look a little bit festive. Blip this into manual mode. We're out driving for a bit of a festive drive. This Ferrari F430. Just saw a policeman kind of behind me, so I don't really want to do anything ridiculous off the line here. But yeah, it's Christmas. How's everyone feeling? Is everybody feeling festive? Everybody getting into the spirit? This is a 2007 Ferrari F40. It's got about 480 brake horsepower. And I've had the privilege of doing a few drives in this thing, and my God, it is like, it's completely turned my eye into... I'll give you a bit of background. I was never really into Ferraris. Well, I liked them. I admired them from afar. But as far as ever buying one, I just kind of never saw it happening. And then I've been driving this Ferrari, which isn't mine, by the way. And I've done a few drives in this, and I am like completely now just like obsessed with Ferraris, with that V8 sound, the V8 performance of this thing. Oh man, like, I love it. I absolutely love it. I'm definitely going to put my foot down in this video, and I kind of wanted to put my foot down straight out of the garage to give you a bit of an idea of what it sounds like, but you'll get that later in the video. I absolutely promise you that. You reckon Santa Claus watches YouTube videos? Let's say he's watching this. And Santa Claus, I'll take a black Ferrari F430. Doesn't matter about mileage, so long as it's been maintained. So long as the engine is good, the suspension's good, the transmission is good, the exhaust is on point. Doesn't matter about the mileage. I love this car. Listen to this. I don't know if you can pick this up, but I want to put it from sport to race mode. Sounds like an old lady's computer game. Well, this, you know, this car does have a few flaws. You know, it's like, it's showing its age. There's a, I don't know how well you can see that, but it's like, it's crusting around there. The buttons are sticky. The door handles are flimsy. The window buttons aren't working properly. These are kind of peeling away. Seats are still good, wheels still good, and dash is basic, but it's of its time. It all just comes together nicely though. Like the things that you don't like about it, I could not care. I really could not care. It's when you've got this car on an open road and you're opening the taps, that is why you buy a car like this. You don't buy a car like this to be worrying about the knobs and the buttons and things like that. So I'm gonna put it into neutral while sitting in idle here because it saves the clutch. On the subject of what's on the screen, you'll probably see like a black dot there, which is covering like the mode and the time and kind of like a bit of a message center. And then I'm also covering the speedo as well. Get a lot of questions from people saying, why have you covered the speedo up? Well, come on guys. Come on. You know, I forgot to bring as well, I've got like a polarizing filter which goes over the top of the camera, but I've kind of also forgot to put that on as well. Thanks mate, cheers, thank you. Lovely, isn't it? Yeah. It's dirty. It's about 480, 4.3 litre V8. Aye, it's insane though. It just sounds like, when you drive it through the city streets and it's like all built up, you know what it sounds like. It sounds amazing.
Were you on the quayside?
I've just come from the quayside area.
I heard it from.
Did you hear it?
Across,
yeah, I was only in the low gears as well, you know, so I barely got out of second or third. Yeah.
How much you buy it for?
It's about a 75 grand car.
What do you do if you don't mind me asking for that?
It's like electronic car systems.
It's from Japan.
Japan, Dubai, everywhere.
Are you selling it or?
No.
Just taking pictures of it?
Yeah, just come, just like when you're a bit bored, just come out, get a coffee.
Yeah.
Nice, drive the car, you know, nice day. Because they'll be going away for the winter. Do you know, like over when the ice comes on, the snow's on the road and that, so yeah.
To me, mate.
You too, mate. See you later, ciao. I mean, it's not mine, obviously. I just didn't really want to get into like, oh, I'm driving somebody else's car. I'm sure you can appreciate that. I'm not trying to pass it off as mine or anything like that, but that's a lovely shot, that, by the way. You might have seen us we'll like do some shots of those two arches there, but this one here. See, we've got the sage in the background there. We've got the Tyne Bridge there as well, but it's probably not going to be that good of a picture. You can get a little bit of everything, I suppose. So I think what I need to do now is I need to go and drive it properly and have a bit of fun with it. Can I get a gingerbread latte, please?
Yeah.
Just a regular. And a triple chocolate cookie as well, please.
And ready to scan there. For 2 weeks.
Yes, please, yeah.
That's
You.
355, please.
Okay.
Would you like squirty creamer?
No, it's okay, thank you. Great, thanks mate, cheers. Need to stop singing. You know, I know the camera's there. I'm obsessed with like taking pictures. It's starting to affect my day-to-day life, struggling because I'm always taking pictures of everything. It's not the end of the world, I guess. Greg's pretty much my favourite establishment. in the entire world. I get loads of grief for it. But what's a guy to do, eh? Simple pleasures in life. A fast car, sounds good. Mediocre coffee, and a nice cookie. Sounds like a good afternoon to me. Oh, that's sweet. That is so sweet. I needn't have bothered get the cookie as well, because this does it all. Jesus. I should have just went for a regular latte, but I was trying to be all festive and that. Anyway guys, I'm going to wrap this video up. I wish you all a very Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. I'll probably try and do some more POV videos in and around Christmas and New Year period. Sometimes I just can't help myself. I'm sticking the camera on and going out for a nice spirited drive. But all the best guys. I'll see you on the other side. Actually, the other reason I'm standing here is because that Ferrari has no cup holders, so I can't actually drive it and have my coffee at the same time. There we go. What are you going to do? What are you going to do, eh?